people, I'm back with one of my special videos which I love making for you. And recently I've been doing a lot of movie reviewing because I've been watching a lot of movies with my son, and he's been making me watch a lot of thriller movies, and he knows I like a lot of horror movies, but then he says that I've had enough of horror movies, let's watch some thrillers. And he's been making me watch a lot of thrillers, and I think I'm getting creative, I'm getting to getting a lot of ideas about different movies or different stories that I could think of writing. Anyway, this movie was particularly wonderful because I watched it and I think I was literally on the edge. If you want to be on the edge and if you want to have that excitement and the thrill in your life, and at the same time, not at the cost of your adventure, but at the cost of somebody else doing the acting and the direction, then you must watch Greta. Greta is a 2018 film and it's just 1 hour 38 minutes, and you could watch this because it's not a very long movie and you don't get bored because it actually grips you and it keeps you on the edge. And that is what I liked about the movie, because I couldn't take my eyes off the screen. And both of us, I mean my son and I, we were literally glued to the screen, and we just went through the whole process without a blink. Anyway, this movie is directed by Neil Jordan, and at the box office it made it around $18.6 million. It's pretty good. And the story is by Ray White, and I think he's done a fantastic job of writing this story. And the story, in fact, is around a young woman. I'm going to be a little spoiled sport. If you still haven't watched this movie, go to Netflix and watch it, because it's one of the best. I mean, one of the best. I've been watching a lot of fantastic movies. Even the Southeast Asian movies are great, but this is one of the best movies because it really kept me enthralled and kept me glued. I really especially liked this actress, who was the protagonist, Chloe. In fact, two protagonists, Chloe Grace Moretz. She did the role of Frances, and Isabelle Huppert, Greta. She is the person who's done Greta, and I think both of them have done a fantastic a part of acting. For students of mass communication, I think you need to go in and watch this movie. Why? Because you must see how the director has treated the story. And I haven't read the book or the story initially, but then the movie itself has got such a wonderful flow to it, and it keeps you on the edge. It keeps you absolutely wondering what's going to happen next, because the story unfolds in a very different way, and the camera handling is excellent. You must watch the camera handling, and this actor, this Chloe Grace Moretz, has done a fantastic job of doing her bit. And for the ones who are into acting these days, you are into acting in movies, in different serials that we see on television, you must watch this actress, because the way she moves, her facial expressions, and the way she emotes, the way she smiles, the way she delivers a dialogue is so important for an actor to watch, because students of mass communication are not just going to be directors or producers or script writers, they're also going to be actors. So for you, it's very important to look at how these actors emote and which muscle they twitch during a particular scene. And this other actress who did Greta, Isabelle Huppert, amazing. She is a veteran actress, and she's been acting since she was very young, and you should see the sinister look she could give. And I'm giving away bits of it, so you must look at the sinister expression that she has. And it's not that she's sinister in real life. She's done fantastic movies. She's from France, and she has done fantastic movies otherwise. And what she does is gets the horror into the film, and you must watch it because it's got many nuances. It's got adventure, it's got thrill, it's got horror, it's got till their last bit. You don't know what's happening and what's going to happen, and then at the end also they leave you hanging. You must watch this, it's really, really good. And then I watched an interview of both Chloe Grace Moretz and Isabelle Huppert, and they share a lovely relationship of screen and on screen as well, because they said that the kinds of cooperation that they had in the film Greta was really great, because they said that apart from the director, that it's a, like, both these actors are very seasoned, and so when they meet a new director and then they get into becoming friends, they become friends during the movie, and then they had a fantastic time, because Frances plays the younger girl, the younger actor, and Greta plays the older woman. So you must watch this, because it's done pretty well. There are around I think there are more than 77% people, 70% people who have loved this movie. So it must be good, So I watched it, though I watched it late, 2018 to 2021. I got the time to watch it now, but then I've been watching fantastic movies on Netflix. Thank you, Netflix, for getting us these movies. And so all of you, go watch the movies, not just for the entertainment and forget about it. No, don't do that. Watch the movies to learn something. And this is for the students of mass communication, students of drama, students of acting, students of script writing, production and direction. Think of the kind of creativity that you could do in your production, in your direction. That is why you should watch these movies. Anyway, all the best, and do keep watching my reviews of these movies. Do keep watching my videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular updates whenever I am updating a video. And of course, like and share if you like what you see, okay? So that helps in the algorithm. And I'm going to see you soon. Stay safe. I love you, all of you.